Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online shopping smoother. Today, we're tackling something super common: how to change your shipping address on Fashion Nova in 2025. With Fashion Nova's updated interface, it's easier than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. Whether you've just moved houses or realized you entered the wrong details, this guide will save you time and hassle. First things first, grab your device and head over to the Fashion Nova website or app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, look for the My Account section, usually found in the top right corner. Click on that, and it should take you to your profile dashboard. Now, navigate to the Addresses or Shipping Information tab. Fashion Nova has streamlined this for 2025. So you might see a dedicated section for managing your delivery details. Here, you'll see your current saved addresses. Find the one you want to change and hit the Edit button. This is where you can update your street address, city, state, zip code, and even your phone number if needed. Double-check everything for accuracy. Nothing worse than a package going astray. After making your changes, hit Save or Update. Fashion Nova might prompt you to confirm with a quick verification, like entering your password again for security. Once that's done, you're all set. Your new shipping address will be applied to any future orders. A quick tip: if you're in the middle of an order, you might need to edit the address directly on the checkout page instead. Always verify your address before finalizing a purchase to avoid delays. There you have it. Changing your shipping address on Fashion Nova is a breeze in 2025. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more shopping hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.